Okay, so crooked dancer number 2 is when we split a rhythm between the two hands or melodies. So this is going to be your left hand, this is going to be your right hand, and again these are our 5 beats in 5/4. This is one of the next measure. So the way this starts is you've got a rest here, then an eighth note in beat 1. And then what that does is it goes to here. Now the right hand has a rest, and then a rest here, and then this on the second half of the beat. So 1 and 2 and, see how that switches between the hands, 1 and 2 and 3. So it switches between the hands. So let's look at beat 3. 3 is just this, and that means that in this, in the left hand really, you got this for the rest of the time. So that stretches to there. So, and then here, you've got that. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and. So let's clap that once. Actually, a good way to do it is to drum it on your lap or on something in front of you. So when I use my left hand, I'm going to drum this. When I use my right hand, I'm going to drum the right hand part. So from the beginning, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and. So let's do that again. 2, 3, 4, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and. So you see how that works. So that's the first rhythm, and then the second one you do, it will mellow out a little bit. This is the same, but then these change. Grab my marker here. So this just is all quarter notes. So let's do that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. So let's try that again. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. So once you find the right notes, the rhythm is set. And the rhythms that we did will stay through most of this part. The only thing that changes are the notes. So sometimes this might be re, sometimes it might be sol, but the rhythm, that groove stays the same. So part number 2 is all about keeping the groove solid through the whole song and going from 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, and it rotates between the two. So use this to help you get through, and you should be in good shape to get number 2 down.